Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel again. This is I, Ketulum Kizo, your favorite tutor. So today we are doing a simple interest and compound interest. This is a finance section for a mathematical literacy. So today we have a scenario that says Timothy invested 1,000 rand at BB Bank, calculate his total interest for 2 months. That is the interest rate being 7%. So here we are calculating our simple interest. So our simple interest today, we're going to use a formula. Interest is equals to principal amount multiplied by interest rate over 100. Since interest rate is calculated using percentages, we're going to say over 100. So we need to know that, so our principal amount is 1,000 rands, 1,000 rands multiplied by our interest rate being 77%, 7 over 100. We put that in our calculator exactly the way it is, multiplied by 7 over 100 equals to 70 rands. Now, on the statement, it says that for 2 months. So for 2 months, we're going to say multiply this number by 2, since for 1 month we have 70 rand interest. So for 2 months, we're going to multiply it by 2. So we're going to say 70 rands multiplied by 2 is equals to 140, equals to 140 plus 1,000 rand is equals to 1,140, the total amount that Timothy received from his investment at a BV Bank. Now, the difference with compound interest, the same story is the same scenario, same story. So Timothy invested a thousand rand at a BC Bank now. Calculate his total interest for 2 months, interest rate being 7%. So our formula here is also interest is equals to principal amount multiplied by interest over 100. Over 100. Now, since this is a compound interest, here we'll multiply by 1 month equals to our principal amount is equals to 1,000 rand multiplied by 7 over 100 is equals to so 70 rands plus 1,000 is equals to 1,070. Right. Since this is a compound interest, it means that interest is calculated on interest for. So for month two, we're gonna calculate interest using this amount now. So 1,070 rands is now gonna be our principal amount for month two. So for month two, we're gonna say interest is equals to principal amount multiplied by interest. Writing a formula is sometimes as quite helping a lot. Over 100 multiplied by month two. So for month two, we're gonna say equals to interest is equals to principal amount being 1,070 rands multiplied by our interest rate of 7%. 7% over 100 is equals to, we put it on our calculator. In our calculator. So it is equals to 74 rands point 9. So we are not gonna round off this because it is money. So it is gonna be 74 rands comma 90 cents. So to get our final answer, we will add the principal amount and our new interest of 74 rands and 90 cents. Therefore, it equals to 1070 plus 74.90 is equals to, right, plus 74.9 is equals to 1,144.90 cents. So this is the difference between a simple and a compound interest. So since we are using money here, we can't just write 90,90. We have to indicate that is 90 cents. So thank you guys for tuning in. Please subscribe on my YouTube channel. Thank you. See you again next time.